Today we are going to be doing a demonstration on how to hang your fireplace bling directly out of the packaging that it is shipped in. Now you are going to want to keep all of the tissue paper that is around the bling on the pieces until after they're hung. This will just help it prevent from getting tangled. Now, once you are ready to hang the bling, oh, I just dropped it there. There will be a mark on the back of each loop that will have a small black dot. That just shows that that is the side that is supposed to be facing the fireplace, just to make sure that you are not putting them up backwards. Now, when the bling is hung, that is when you can go through and cut off all of the tissue paper here, and then just adjust it just to make sure that it is laying nicely.